Alright, today we are making breakfast casserole. Egg, bacon, cheese, onions, bell peppers, hash browns, all in this little pan right here. Y'all come back, we'll get it going. Good afternoon, everybody. We are back once again. Today we are making a breakfast casserole. You pretty much see what all the ingredients we got right here. We got a couple things of cheese, we got a carton of eggs over there, we got some hash browns, we got some bacon, we got some onion and bell peppers. Chopping up bell peppers. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna chop them up. Yeah, let's do that.
You gonna chop up bell peppers?
So how big you chop these is, I guess, up to your individual desire. This is all going to go in when we cook the bacon. You can use bacon, you can use sausage, you can use bacon and sausage, you can use breakfast sausage, you can use just whatever kind of meat you want to use in your breakfast casserole. But me, I'm a bacon fan, so I chose bacon. Hey, look, there's going to be a white piece of paper on some of those. We probably have to peel off because I forgot to peel the label off before I started chopping here. See there? That's pretty neat. Oops. Yeah, we'll get that off there. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. A little paper, it digests, it's okay. I wonder if there's a piece of paper on the back of one of these.
There is.
I was fixing.
First strip.
Let's see. Hey, there's the rest of that label. That little sticky label that they like to put on vegetables. Okay, that's one. What the heck? Ah, look, there's a piece of paper. I almost cut it. Well, I actually did cut it. So. All right. Why do they make it so difficult?
Just to irritate you.
All right. I think this piece right here, that's all the bell pepper we're going to use. All right. I'm going to dice this onion up. I'm going to start by cutting it in half and a quarter. I think this onion's trying to make me cry.
Boo hoo hoo.
All right, got our onion. Eyeballs are watering. Eyeballs, 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 eyeballs. Okay, those things. Those things in my head here, they're watering. Now we're going to open some bacon. And we're getting all this prepped for frying. So we're going to cut this bacon up into small pieces, and we'll just fry it like in small pieces. Yeah, that's what we'll do. This is going to be smoked out on the smoker. Once we get everything put together, it will be smoked at 300 degrees for approximately 2 hours, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Now, we will see if this hot plate will get hot. While that's warming up, we're going to take a short break. We'll be right back. We are cooking the bacon. Once we get this bacon cooked, we're just going to get it cooked down a little bit. We don't have to get it all really crispy and everything, unless you like it that way, because it's going to cook for several hours or a couple of hours in the smoker. So we'll get this cooked, and we'll add the veggies just long enough to soften the onion and the bell pepper up. All right, my little taste tester here wants to taste the bacon to see if it's ready yet, and so we're gonna give her a. There you go. How does that taste? Oh, good. Yes. More. No. Anything? Yeah, I think it worked out pretty good. All right, folks, we got the bacon pretty much cooked down here, so we're gonna go ahead and add the veggies in here and let them cook just to get soft. That's all. Not trying to do anything crazy here. So we're just gonna grab handfuls of onion first. There's a handful of onion. There's a handful of bell pepper coming in. Yep, got some bell pepper here. We're gonna get the rest of it, hopefully. Get it in there. Kind of turned into a deep fryer with all that bacon grease, but that's all right. And folks, here's a pro tip. After you cut up an onion, do not, I repeat, do not rub your eyeball. You should wash your hands first. I, on the other hand, rub my eyeball. Now I have my left eye twitching.
Let's see that.
Twitch. There you go. You got to see the twitch. It's a twitcher. All right, now then, we'll stir these in real good with the bacon. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be so good. We just want to soften these veggies up. We don't really want them deep fried. I know that seems kind of weird since they're sitting in a skillet of bacon grease. Just get them all stirred in real good. Yeah. Yeah. Just a few minutes on that and then we'll take this off. We're just going to scoop this out and put it on our plate there and let it absorb some of the grease out of it. Molly's hoping and praying that I drop some. Let this cool for a minute. Give it time to soak up some of the grease. Some of the grease. I want some grease still in it, and then we will put it in here. All right, so right now we are going to take this and we are going to just kind of spread it over the hash browns here. Ow, that's kind of warm still. That's actually really warm still, but that's okay. Over the top, all the veggies, put it all in good. Back down. Let's get the other one. We'll spread it out here in a minute. There we go. There we go. Get them last two pieces of onion, Bart. Oh, can't. Okay. Get that onion, Bart. Alright. We'll take our, and we'll spread this out over the top of our hash browns here, kind of evenly. Won't be 100% perfect, but that's all right. Every bite gets some bacon, every bite gets some onion, every bite gets some bell pepper, and every bite will get some egg and cheese. Okay, good enough. All right. We'll get the other stuff ready. We'll be back shortly. We're going to use a dozen eggs. Get that one a little hard. Okay, last egg going in. Now then, we use 2 cups of milk. There's 1. There's 2. Then we use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then we whip it, or we whisk it, whatever you want to call it. We whip it. We whip it good. Get the eggs all broke up. Get the milk and the cream and the eggs all mixed together real good. All right, got that done. Then, take our cheese. You can use pretty much whatever cheese you want to use. I chose to use Mexican cheddar jack. And then we pour the cheese in here. Bloop.
All the cheese.
Oh, well, yes, pretty much. All the cheese. We're gonna mix this all in real good. Now we got our cheese, our milk, our eggs, our whipping cream, all that mixed in real good. Now we got to add some seasoning. Folks, what are we gonna season it with? We're gonna season it with salt. We're actually gonna measure it today. We're gonna measure in 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna attempt to measure in 1 teaspoon of pepper. That's 1 teaspoon of pepper. But because I like pepper, we're gonna add a little bit more. And then, that's almost 2 teaspoons of pepper. That's all right. It's good.
It'll be all right.
Yeah. We'll mix that in. Get all that mixed in real good. Or incorporated, as some people say. I say mixed. All right. Got all that mixed in. Now then, I haven't chosen, but I am going to use, let's see. I'm going to use a rub. I'm going to try 1 tablespoon of John Henry.
Or 3 teaspoons.
No, 1 tablespoon.
Do you have the tablespoon out?
Ta-da!
That's not the tablespoon.
That says,
Teaspoon.
aw,
Just use
I can't see. We'll use 3 of these. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Oops.
That equals 1 tablespoon.
And mix this in all in here real good. Whip it. We're gonna whip it. Whip it good. Cause she likes it. I don't know where that came from. There used to be a switch between here and here. And a long time ago it got short-circuited. All right, we got that whipped up. Now then, we are going to pour this over the top of everything, like this, I think. I think this is how you do it. Oh, there's a big chunk of cheese. Oh, that's gonna be a cheesy bite. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a bunch of cheesy bites. Yeah. That's a cheesy bite. Yeah, we
Spread
just,
it out.
and we get it beat down in there. Okay, that's good, that's empty. Now then we need to find that thing right there. Look at all this cheese. All the cheese is on top. All the egg and milk and heavy cream went to the bottom and is soaking in the potatoes down there. But it's all spread out. All right, now we're gonna cover this up. I'm gonna fire up the smoker and get it up to temp. We're gonna cover this up for about an hour. We'll be back. We'll put it on the smoker and we'll be ready to go. This has been setting in the refrigerator for a little over an hour now, and it looks like a blob of cheese with some bacon pieces in it. It's going on the smoker. So, out we go. Oh, it's nice and hot there. Temperature's at 300. We'll leave it in there for a couple of hours and come back out. We want the internal temp to be 160. All right, folks, welcome back. Here we have our breakfast casserole all done, cooked to an inside temp of 160. Look at that. Look at that. Is that good or what? That good looking? Okay. So now we're going to do the infamous taste test. We're going to chop into this bad boy. Oh, well, you're getting all excited over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's scoop out that corner piece right there. Oh.
It's hot.
I know it's going to be hot.
It's
going to
smoking.
be real hot. It's going to be real hot. Man, that looks good. I'm going to spread the bottom of the pan with this.
That's where the hash browns are.
I know. That's what I get. Throw them on top. There we go. All right. It's hot, especially when the bottom's hot. Alright. I'm gonna try this while it's hot. But there's a lot of cheese in here, so I'm not sure how this is gonna play out. If that cheese sticks to my lips, and you see me doing a Watusi dance here. Ooh, there's an onion, gotta get it. Throw my onion, put my onion back. Onion don't want to stay. Onion not cooperating. Nope, I guess okay, well heck with it. Okay, we're gonna give it a try here. Here we go, folks. First taste test. Take some of this we got off the bottom here. Give it a test. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Man, this is good. This is real good. I love this breakfast casserole. And this is for Shronka. You owe me $15 because I'm shaking my booty. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.